Imagine discovering that an entire planet, one that smashed into Earth billions of years ago, never truly disappeared. Instead, enormous pieces of it may still be buried deep beneath our feet, influencing Earth's geology even today. This is the provocative claim behind new research into Theia, the mysterious world that helped create the Moon. Scientists now believe the collision didn't vaporize everything. Instead, parts of Theia sank into Earth's mantle, forming massive hidden structures with signatures unlike anything else on the planet. In this video, we'll explore the new evidence, the revolution it triggers in moon formation theory, and why Theia may still matter. For decades, geologists knew something strange lurked near Earth's core. Two gigantic structures the size of continents, sitting almost 3,000 kilometers underground. These regions, called large low shear velocity provinces, or LLSVPs, didn't behave like the rest of the mantle. They were denser, hotter, and chemically different. But no one knew why. That mystery is now being revisited with a bold idea. These blobs may actually be buried pieces of Theia. What triggered this new wave of interest is a combination of seismic imaging and geochemical mapping. As seismic waves travel through Earth, they slow down dramatically inside these LLSVPs, revealing that the material is fundamentally different. At the same time, researchers comparing lunar rocks with ancient terrestrial samples found remarkably similar isotopic signatures, too similar to be coincidence. If Earth and Moon share mixed material from Theia, then parts of Theia should still be here. This theory gained momentum after modeling showed that during the massive collision, Theia's iron-rich core likely merged with Earth's core, while its rocky mantle splintered. Some fragments blasted outward to form the Moon, but others sank inward, becoming permanent geological residents. This reshapes how we understand Earth's deep structure and suggests our planet is far more hybrid than we imagined. The giant impact model has long ruled as the leading explanation for how the Moon formed, but it had gaps. The biggest issue? Earth and the Moon have nearly identical chemical fingerprints, almost as if they came from the same body. Traditional models struggled to explain this. But adding Theia's remnants inside Earth provides a much more elegant solution. New simulations show that the collision wasn't a clean smash and separate event. Instead, it was a chaotic mixing process where materials from both bodies blended extensively. Theia's mantle, rich in silicates, became the source of much of the debris that eventually clumped into the Moon. Meanwhile, Earth absorbed the bulk of the foreign rock, especially the heavier fragments that plunged downward. This also explains why the Moon is so iron-poor. Most of Theia's metal joined Earth's deep interior rather than ending up in lunar material. With this updated view, the Moon becomes a shared creation born from a blend of Earth and Theia, while Earth itself holds the hidden remainder. This model not only resolves the isotopic puzzle, but also clarifies the temperature and energy levels needed for such extensive mixing. It's a story of cosmic identity. Our planet is partly Earth, partly Theia. Here's where the story becomes even more fascinating. Theia's buried fragments may still be shaping Earth's geology today. Many researchers now suspect the LLSVPs are more than ancient leftovers. They might actively influence volcanic hotspots and mantle plumes. Regions like Hawaii and Iceland, known for their intense volcanic activity, sit directly above these deep anomalies. That suggests the material rising from the mantle could be carrying traces of Theia upward after billions of years. Laboratory simulations support this idea, showing that denser foreign rocks would settle exactly where the LLSVPs are found. Their unique composition could make them heat up differently from surrounding mantle material, helping to generate powerful upwellings. In other words, Theia may be partly responsible for some of Earth's most dynamic geological features. Even more intriguingly, these structures could impact how heat flows inside the mantle, influencing convection cycles that drive plate movements. Understanding them could help decode why Earth's interior behaves the way it does, from magnetic field patterns to long-term tectonic changes. Far from being a forgotten cosmic crash victim, Theia may still be an active player in the planet's evolution, hidden in the deepest layers we've only started to explore. If these new findings are correct, Earth is not simply the world we think it is. It's a fusion of two planets, carrying ancient alien material deep within its core mantle boundary. This perspective reshapes the Moon's origin story, solves long-standing chemical puzzles, and gives us new ways to understand hotspots, mantle dynamics, and the deep seismic structures beneath us. As future missions, lunar samples, and high-resolution seismic imaging improve, we might soon confirm just how much of Theia lives on below our feet. If that excites you as much as it excites me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.